give us a broken one? Walmart, right? Crap. And we don't have no.
This tighten up pretty good. This one's not.
And we don't have nothing. No receipt, no nothing. Is there something has to go there? Is there?
Yeah, this one is tight.
Okay. Turn it around.
Maybe at the wrong side. Upstairs.
Okay. We're learning.
Okay.
My husband's learning. We're learning. We really rookies in this.
It's like a puzzle, man.
This is
Like
our
puzzles.
first time. No YouTube, no nothing.
Don't like puzzles, don't like Legos. Never was a Lego fan as a kid.